guys, it's Haley Martin here, and I'm going to be reviewing the YOUNIQUE Moodstruck 3D Fiber Lashes. It comes in a really nice box. It comes with a leaflet, and there's a nice bag here, or purse, whatever it's called. It's really nice, got a little pink stud on it. You get two mascara things in it. This one is the 3D Fibers Moodstruck, and the other one is, what's this one? Hang on. Moodstruck 3D Fibers Lashes. This is the transplanting gel. Now what we got to do is we got to put the transplanting gel onto my eyelashes, and then we quickly put the fibers on, and then I think we got to put the gel back on to let it set. And then we'll do the other eye. And then if we think we need some more, we will do another layer on top. Okay, we're gonna put it on. This is the gel. And just put it on like a normal mascara. And then we put the 3D stuff on, the fibers. And as you can see, my eyelashes are getting thicker and longer. And just put it on like a normal mascara. There we go. And we put the gel stuff on again over it to lock it in. Right, I think we'll put a second coat on of the gel. Make sure you try and get it all over your lashes. And use the fiber mascara thing again. Oops, a dropped thing. Oops. Put it all over. Quite easy to do. And we'll put some more gel on just to set it, to keep the lashes on. And there we go. Do you think I might need a third one? I don't know. But as you can see, that's my own eyelashes. And then this is the fiber. And you can see I've got eyelashes now. Could do a third coat. Do one more coat. I've put another coat on, and as you can see, there's a big difference. Got eyelashes and everything. Really easy to do. I really enjoyed doing it, and I would rate this a 9 out of 10. It's a really good product. Thanks for viewing, guys.